Hello and welcome to our video series on corporate tax in the UAE. As you already know, UAE has introduced corporate tax law which is going to be effective from 1st June 2023. It means all businesses operating in the UAE has to calculate its corporate tax on the taxable income earned in its tax period. At Alchemist Accounting, we understand that this is a complex and daunting topic for many of the businesses. And that's why we have created this video series which gives you a clear and precise information on corporate tax in the UAE. In this series, we are going to cover various topics related to corporate tax, including its applicability, tax computation, tax exemption, special provisions related to free zones and more. Our aim is to make this topic as simple and understandable as possible so that you can focus on running your business. We all know that corporate tax is to be calculated on taxable income earned by an entity in a tax period. So let's understand what is a tax period for the purpose of corporate tax. A tax period is always the financial year followed by an entity for which the books of accounts are maintained. As we know, an entity can follow its own financial year. It can be Jan to December, April to March, or July to June. Now let's see what's the first tax period for an entity in UAE. We know the effective date of corporate tax is 1st June 2023. So, an entity's first tax period will be the first financial year which starts either on or after the effective date, that is 1st June 2023. Let's understand this with an example. If Alchemist LLC is having its financial year Jan to December, its first tax period will be the financial year after the effective date of corporate tax, which is Jan 2024 to December 2024. And if Alchemist LLC is having its financial year July to June, its first tax period will be July 2023 to June 2024. As per the corporate tax law, the due date for filing and paying the corporate tax is 9 months from the end of its tax period. So in the first case, where the financial year is Jan to December, the due date for filing the corporate tax and paying the tax to the authority will be September 2025. And in the second case, where the financial year is July to June, the due date will be March 2025. We hope you find this video helpful and informative. Thank you for tuning to our first video on corporate tax.